Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have some breaking news regarding OpenAI, the creator of Chatgpt, one of the most popular chatbot programs out there. A group of anonymous individuals has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, accusing the company of stealing personal information on an unprecedented scale. Let's dive into the details. OpenAI, the creator of Chatgpt and a leading player in the field of artificial intelligence, is facing a class action lawsuit accusing the company of engaging in extensive personal data theft. According to the lawsuit, OpenAI has scraped over 300 billion words from the internet, including personal information, without the consent of the individuals involved. The plaintiffs, who are represented by the Clarkson law firm, have chosen to remain anonymous for fear of potential backlash. They allege that OpenAI's actions violate privacy laws and could even lead to what they call civilizational collapse. The lawsuit seeks class action status and estimates potential damages amounting to $3 billion, with millions of individuals potentially affected. Joining OpenAI as a defendant in the lawsuit is Microsoft Corporation, which is planning a substantial investment in OpenAI. At this point, neither OpenAI nor Microsoft has provided an official response to the allegations. We reached out to both companies, but they have yet to comment. OpenAI faces class action lawsuit, allegations of personal data theft, privacy and AI ethics under scrutiny. This lawsuit not only raises serious concerns about privacy but also puts the spotlight on the broader implications of artificial intelligence in our society. OpenAI's products, including Chatgpt, have gained widespread popularity and have sparked debates on privacy and misinformation. Now, Congress is even considering regulations for AI as it impacts creative industries and our ability to discern fact from fiction. During a recent testimony on Capitol Hill, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman himself called for AI regulation. However, this lawsuit highlights the very foundation of OpenAI's products and how they acquired the data that powers them. The allegations in the lawsuit suggest that OpenAI conducted a massive clandestine web scraping operation, violating terms of service agreements and state and federal privacy and property laws. The lawsuit cites the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, a federal anti-hacking statute, among others. The plaintiffs claim that OpenAI misappropriated personal data to gain an advantage in what they call an AI arms race. According to the lawsuit, OpenAI's products, including Chatgpt, gather private information from users' interactions and from integrated applications. These integrations allegedly allow OpenAI to access image and location data from Snapchat, music preferences from Spotify, financial information from Stripe, and private conversations from platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams. The lawsuit contends that OpenAI's pursuit of profits has led the company to abandon its original goal of advancing artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity. Instead, the plaintiffs claim that OpenAI has chosen a path that risks compromising individuals' privacy and security. OpenAI accused of violating privacy laws, misappropriation of personal data, Chatgpt's revenue estimated at $200 million. The implications of this lawsuit are significant. Not only do the plaintiffs seek monetary damages to be determined at trial, but they are also requesting a temporary freeze on commercial access to and further development of OpenAI's products. It remains to be seen how this lawsuit will unfold and what impact it will have on the future of OpenAI and the broader AI industry. As always, we will keep you updated on this story as more information becomes available. What are your thoughts on this lawsuit against OpenAI? Do you have any concerns about the use of personal data in the development of AI? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay informed, stay curious. See you next time.